Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I'll show you how to create a Google account. So first open your Google Chrome and search for google.com. Then tap on the sign in button at the top right corner. And then, as you can see, you need to tap on create account at the bottom left. And then choose on the three option. So choose for my personal use. So here you can now put your first name, last name, your username, and your password over here. And then tap next, then put your phone number right here. Now once you verified your phone number, you can go right here and complete the details, your birthday, so you can put right here. Then select your gender right over here and then tap on next. You can skip this information and then you try to read all of these privacy and terms and tap on I agree. And finally, you have now your new Google account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.